Hello, everybody. Hello, are we ready to do this? Meditation. Meditation in the time of coronavirus, COVID-19. We can do this. We can do this. We can hang in together. And I promise you it's going to be really, really good. Let me introduce myself for those of you who are tuning in for the first time. And for those of you watching in replay and have no idea who I am because someone has shared this to a group or their profile or whatever. My name is Rebekah Borucki. I am a mother of five. I'm an author. I'm a meditation guide. And I love you. I love people. And I offer these meditations live online in replay on YouTube and IGTV. And I'm doing it daily right now because what else are we going to do when we're all stuck at home and not being able to go anywhere? A lot of us are stuck at home with kids. I have all my kids here, but it's good. It's good to have everyone I love under one roof. Today's meditation is going to be another passed on gift. I'm going to get you into your meditation space. Don't worry if you've never done it before. I promise you it's going to be easy and painless. It's more than painless. It's going to feel good. And I'm going to be reading an excerpt from this lovely little book, which is in my favorite color. I love this like pumpkin orange color by Nagar Fanouni. I hope I'm saying her last name right. It's called This Is Just What It's Like Sometimes, right? It's the perfect title for right now. This is just what it's like sometimes. Real quick, before we settle in, I want you to hit the share button to make sure that your friends can join us live or in replay. And also, right after we're done, I want you to check out the links in the video description to follow Nagar and to also join in a very, very special live Wild Soul Movement class with my friend Elizabeth D'Alto. She is hosting a live stream Wild Soul Movement practice just for the Blisting community today. So definitely check that out. So hit that share button, check out the links, and enjoy this meditation from me and Nagar. When you practice meditation again and again and again, it becomes so easy to go from here all the way down to here pretty quickly. I can drop in with just one inhale and exhale, and I want you to try that with me right now. Just big inhale and a letting go exhale. In through your nose, out through your mouth. Don't be shy. If you're by yourself, make it really loud. Inhale one more time. Exhale. Sway into your easy or comfortable seat, wherever you are. Desk, couch, bed, floor, on a pillow, legs crossed, legs out in front of you. Get comfy. Place your hands downturned on your knees or thighs upturned to receive energy, to be energized during your meditation today, to receive joy. And if it's safe for you, if it feels good for you, go ahead and close your eyes or leave them open and focus softly on an object, a spot across the room, a place on the floor right past the tip of your nose. Meditation isn't about thinking about nothing. It's simply creating a peaceful space to connect with yourself. Peaceful is relative. It doesn't have to be perfectly silent. I know my house never is. I hope you don't hear it, but I hear lots of stuff going on around me right now, but it's all good. We are meant to live in our environments. The noise that we hear during meditation serves us. We never, ever, ever, ever find ourselves in a bubble or on an island alone. Most of us don't. So embrace the world moving around you. Be in it. It's okay. I want you to bring your attention to your easy inhales and exhales, your natural breath as it is in this moment. I'm going to tell you how. Just observe as your breath comes in through your nose. Imagine it going down the back of your throat, filling your chest, your belly. Let your belly be loose, soft, round. Imagine your breath swirling in your seat and then moving up and out again, opening your mouth with an exhale. That was super slow. But I promise you, you can get your breathing there. Inhale in through your nose, down the back of your throat, filling your chest, your belly, swirling in your bottom, and up and out again. Imagine each inhale and exhale allowing you to sink deeper into the surface below you. Feel the surface below you, holding you, supporting you. Know that in this moment you are safe, and it is okay to be still and to pay attention to you. You are worthy of this. You deserve this. You need this. Inhale. Exhale. Remember, silence is relative, peace is relative, stillness is relative. It means something different for everyone. Just find your space and be in it as it is. Allow it to hold you. Know that you are safe. Connect with that peace and that stillness and that quiet inside of you. Know that it's there. I want to share these words from my new friend Nagar, from her book, This Is Just What It's Like Sometimes. It's a short essay called Receive. I want you to receive this as a gift from me that I'm allowing to pass through me, that I received from Nagar. Receive. We're never as alone as we think we are. It's hard not to feel that way, of course. The world is a complicated place with complicated problems. We're all just trying to survive the day, the week, the year. It's hard not to feel alone in this quest for survival because the truth is, no one is coming to save us. But another truth that's just as real, just as true, just as certain is that nobody does it alone. The only way to survive this world, to thrive in this world, is to realize that none among us are meant to get through it completely on our own. We don't have to do everything with our own two hands. We don't have to wear all the hats and play all the roles. We can share the hats. We can delegate the roles. We can lean on someone. We can ask. We can receive. We can, but we don't always. Asking is hard. Receiving is harder. Believing that it's safe to ask, okay to ask, that we're worthy of receiving, these are the hardest. No one is coming to save you, but you don't need to be saved. You only need to be supported, to be held in the womb of the collective, to open your cup and let other people fill it, to allow the blessings to come through. Because the blessings will come through. And when they do, you need to be capable of recognizing them. You need to be ready to receive them. We don't need to be saved, we only need to be supported. And that means asking for help is critical, and allowing ourselves to receive that help is also critical. As I deliver this gift of meditation and stillness to you, I want you to receive it and pass it on. Pass it on to someone who might also have a problem receiving or asking. Think of that person now. Hold them in your heart. And with your next inhale and exhale, send the energy, the life force, the love from your heart space out to them wherever they are in this world. Inhale. Exhale, send it all out. Imagine them receiving it. Imagine them receiving the warmth of your love and smiling. I hope you feel the warmth of mine. We're going to bring ourselves back now, so I want you to start to wake up your body by swaying back and forth, side to side, whatever feels good, rolling your shoulders, wiggling your fingers and your toes, sitting up tall with your inhale, relaxing with your exhale. And then slowly, focus your eyes or flutter them open. And here we are together. Hello, Shayna and Kim and Carol and Tina. Thank you for joining me and everyone else that I didn't get to see because my eyes were closed. Thank you, Carol. Yeah, I'm trying to make these meditations timely because this is a time that we need it so much. I say this every day. First of all, I got to get back to the kids, so I'm not going to talk too much because I'm so grateful for them being quiet during this, but that time clock is a ticking away. Thank you for showing up for me because it inspires and compels me to show up for you. You and this community and this practice are my medicine. They have been my medicine every single day for the past 27 years. I'm getting so old. And yeah, meditation is, in addition to other things, is my medication. And I hope it serves you as well. I say this 3 times to affirm it because it is so true, and I really want it to sink in. I'm grateful. So thank you, thank you, thank you. And I need you. So I love you, I love you, I love you. Click those links in the video description. Join me at noon for that live class with Elizabeth D'Alto. It's going to be wonderful. She made it just for you. It's going to be live streaming. Check out Nagar's book. This is just what it's like sometimes. It's just what it's like sometimes. Perfect for this time. And I will see you with another daily meditation tomorrow. Also, check out all the replays. I have hundreds of them on YouTube. Love ya. Bye. Love you too, LB Jones. Oh, you said thank you. You're welcome, and I love you. That was weird.